Hello traders, first and foremost, I really want to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to this channel. Our goal was to get to 300 subscribers by the end of the month of August, and I'm really thanking you for subscribing and enabling us reach that 300 goal mark. All right, our next target is to get to 500 subscribers, and if you know your friends and you know people that you love that you can share this channel with, please kindly share with them this channel, because this channel is only dedicated in showing you specific particular things that you need to look for in your charts when you're looking for some trading opportunities. So for example, here in GBP JPY, this morning I'm looking for a potential high of the day sell opportunity. All right, so based on what has been printed on the charts this morning, London has given us the first leg, right? New York market has opened. I'm waiting for the New York market to come and lock these highs, right? Once they lock the high, this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for London to come back to that high where I'm drawing that line. Once the New York market comes and locks that high, and we get our entry candlestick patterns and the risk is acceptable, we're gonna enter this market and see if the dealers are gonna reward us this morning. All right, so the blue box is the Asian session accumulation. All right, after the Asian session, the London markets came in and they pushed the price above the Asian range. Market went into consolidation and now they have formed a pattern. So once I see something like this one on the charts, this is where my interest comes in, because I know, having done so much backtesting on these charts, anytime I see a pattern like this one and it's in line with my directional bias, this is where my area of concentration comes in. So for you to witness this and confirm whether these things works, this is a potential high of the day sell opportunity. This is the first leg pullback. That second leg has locked there with a bearish engulfing candle. So we're not gonna just jump in, right? We're waiting for that candle to close and see how it closes. If it closes as a bearish engulfing candle, then we wait for the mitigation. Then we can be able to engage this market for a sell opportunity. All right, so the pattern is present, the timing is correct, we're confirming our entry candlestick pattern is being printed. We're just waiting to confirm where and when we can be able to enter this market. Once those parameters have been reached, we will be able to engage this market and see if the dealers are going to reward us. So based on how that candle has closed, right, at the current price market, that is my entry. My risk is going to be just 10 pips above that high. All right, so even if the market plays around these levels here, as long as this high is locked, my entry is acceptable, my risk is acceptable, right? We're entering this market just like how we've entered it, and we're waiting for the dealers to move this price into our direction. All right, so anytime you spot the pattern, your entry candlestick pattern is present, your directional bias is clear, enter the market. If the market stops you out, you already confirm that once you enter the market, whatever risk, whatever amount of money that you're risking, you already accepted that risk, and let the market play out and do whatever that it has to do. All right, so let's wait patiently and see how this market is gonna run for the rest of the day. We have different variations of the pattern that we look for when we engage in the markets, but this is the most common one and the most profitable one wherever it presents itself on the charts, right? So GBP JPY, we are already in the market. We're just simply waiting to see how the dealers are going to move the board. The risk is acceptable, and let's see if we're going to be rewarded this particular morning. Always understand this. It's very important for you to understand the directional of the market. Go to the higher time frame, find your peak formations, highs or lows, count your levels, identify the cycle that you are in the market at that particular time, then drop to the 15 minutes time frame, look for a pattern which is in line with your directional bias. Once you find it, engage the market. It's not going to be always that you're going to find these patterns. There are times that you're going to miss them, which is very much okay, right? But once you have done your top-down analysis and you understand your directional bias, you're waiting for those particular setups to show up. And once they show up, that is when you come in as an investor and look for that opportunity, right? So this is what has happened. The market pulled back, but they have not taken that high. So our stop loss is still intact, right? Our pattern is still intact. They have not violated that high, right? This is what they have done. Situations like this can always happen. You can enter the market, you anticipate for it to move, the market doesn't move, all right? But this is the patience that we're talking about. The high was locked, the pattern was present, we accepted the risk, and now the market is moving into our direction. So that is the level of patience which is required of you wherever you're looking for these trade opportunities. If you believe these videos are adding value to you, please kindly consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell, share this video, tell your friends about this channel, and let's grow, let's educate each other, right? So you see how price came back to our high, right? Our entry was still valid, right? And we accepted the risk. And this is, at the end of the day, this is what the dealers were able to do, right? We identified the pattern, we accepted the risk, we entered the market, we just left our stop loss intact, right? And we let the market play throughout the day. It went into consolidation, but the next day, the market just dropped straight down and our target was taken out, and we call it a successful day, right? So there are times when you'll be able to enter the market doesn't take you to your take profit one time, but once you believe in yourself and your analysis, you let the market play out. If you want to get exclusive signals like this one, join our community. Join us during our live trading sessions as we're looking for trade opportunities for any given day. And once the dealers provide that opportunity, we always take them with students, all right? So if you like this video, kindly share these videos, comment down below in the comment section. Let me know which areas you want me to cover for the future. But we have more things rolling down for this channel. Kindly ensure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let's engage on the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.